In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a home listing from Zillow. Whether you're looking to share a dream home with friends or simply spread the word about a new potential neighborhood, capturing that perfect listing and passing it along is incredibly easy. Let's walk through this process together so you can become a master at sharing Zillow listings with just a few clicks. First things first, you need to head over to the Zillow website. Once you're on Zillow, the next step is to locate and open the specific home listing you want to share. This might be a property you recently stumbled upon or one you've had your eye on for a while. Simply type the address or the desired area into Zillow's search bar, and a variety of listings will come up for you to choose from. Once you identify the listing you want, click to open it and get ready to dive into the details. Now, with the listing page open in front of you, your task is to find the share icon or button. This is usually located directly on the listing page, and it might look like an arrow or even have text that clearly says share. Current interfaces could vary, so keep your eyes peeled for either an icon or text. This feature is vital because it allows you to choose the method by which you can share the listing. After locating the share option, give it a click. This will present you with multiple options for sharing the listing. Depending on the version of Zillow's interface, these options could include copying the link or URL, sending the listing via email, or sharing it directly to social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter if they're available. Each option caters to different preferences. For instance, copying the URL is great if you want to send the link through a messaging app or a text message, while sharing directly to social media platforms is perfect for broadcasting to a larger audience. Choose the sharing method that best suits your needs. For instance, if you opt for Copy Link, simply click it and the link will be saved to your clipboard. You can then paste it into a message, email, or any social media post to share it with whoever you want. If you decide to use the email option, follow the instructions Zillow provides to input the email addresses you wish to share with. And there you have it. Sharing listings from Zillow is not only simple, but also versatile in ensuring your favorite homes are just a click away from reaching whomever you wish. Make sure to explore these options and find the one that fits your communication style best. Thanks for tuning in, and happy house hunting!